If you've opened Outlook recently and thought, wait, this looks different, you're not wrong. Welcome to today's tech tip. Microsoft has officially rolled out the new Outlook, and it comes packed with updates designed to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Let's break it down so you can make the most out of the updates. 1. Smart Search. Tired of digging through emails? The new search bar lets you use natural language. For example, try typing "emails from John last week" or "meetings next Tuesday." You'll see suggestions and filters pop up as you type, saving you a ton of time when searching for the one email you need. 2. Pinned emails. Have important emails you'll need to revisit? Keep them at the top. Just click the pin icon on your Outlook taskbar to stick the messages to the top of your inbox. 3. Undo send. Sent an email too fast or caught an error right after hitting send? Hit undo before it's too late. Just go to settings and search undo send. You can even choose to buffer time up to 10 seconds. 4. The My Day panel. Have more information available at once by viewing your calendar and task in a sidebar while emailing. Open this sidebar by selecting the calendar and checkmark icon next to the notification icon at the top right of your Outlook window. No need to toggle between tabs to multitask. 5. The sweeping tool. Inbox getting out of hand? Use Sweep to clean up emails from the same sender with just one click. Just look for the broom icon in your Outlook taskbar and set your roles on a per email basis. And 6. Easy app integrations. Need to schedule a Zoom or drop a Trello task into your email? New Outlook makes it easy. Just head to your left sidebar and select the apps icon at the very bottom. From there, connect the tools that you require with more integrations than ever. Take a few minutes to explore these new features today, and if there's anything you'd like a deeper dive on, just let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.